Hello everyone. Welcome back to the 365 Food Tips channel. Every year, when ginger is cheap, my family usually buys a large quantity and processes it in advance. This saves money, saves time, and we can use it for almost a year. If you have children, women, or elderly people in the house, this is something worth knowing. Ginger is not just an ordinary spice. When used correctly, it is a very valuable ingredient for health. Today, I want to share a simple way to preserve ginger. The method is easy, practical, and delicious. When you see the results, you'll definitely want to try it immediately. This ginger root was harvested fresh from a local farmer. It still has soil clinging to it, but it's very fresh and high quality. Because it was quite dirty, I washed it thoroughly beforehand to remove the soil. This makes the cleaning process much easier. After rinsing, place the ginger in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt. Pour in water until the ginger is completely submerged. Stir well and soak for about 10 minutes. After soaking, scrub the peel clean with a brush. Salt helps disinfect and effectively remove dirt. This step is very important if you want to preserve the ginger for a long time. If the ginger root is too large, break it into smaller pieces. This helps clean dirt hidden in the crevices. Many people ask whether or not to peel the ginger. In cold weather, I usually leave the peel on. The ginger peel helps balance the spiciness of the ginger and prevents the body from overheating. It also contains fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. After proper cleaning, using ginger with the peel on offers more balanced benefits. Peel the ginger only if you want to reduce the spiciness, or when cooking for people with sensitive digestive systems. Remove any dry, damaged, or rotten parts. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. The ginger needs to be thoroughly washed at this step. Let the ginger dry, then cut it into small pieces. This helps the blender work more efficiently. Put the ginger into the blender. Add about 200 to 300 ml of cooled boiled water. Blender until the ginger is finely ground and releases its juice. Filter the mixture through a cloth or sieve. Squeeze out all the ginger juice. It's best to wear gloves as ginger juice can irritate the skin. Spread the remaining ginger thinly on a tray. Dry in the sun for 3 to 5 days. If there is no sun, you can use an oven, air fryer, or microwave. The thinner the layer, the faster it will dry. Stir the ginger water well before cooking, because some starch will settle at the bottom. Pour the ginger water into a pot and bring to a boil. Stir continuously to prevent sticking. Add about 300 grams of alum for every 1 kilo of ginger. You can adjust the amount of sugar to suit your taste. Reduce the heat and continue stirring. This step is very important. Stirring helps the sugar dissolve evenly and prevents burning. As you cook, the color will darken and the aroma will become stronger. Cook until the mixture thickens into a paste. When the mixture thickens into lumps, it's ready. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Prepare clean, dry, and sterilize glass jars. This helps prevent spoilage. Once cooled, pour the ginger extract into the jars. Do not add preservatives. Sugar provides natural preservation. To drink, take a small spoonful. Add hot water and stir well. Especially delicious on chilly mornings. Now, back to the dried ginger. Once completely dry, grind it into a fine powder. Filter and grind the remaining coarse ginger. If stored properly, ginger powder can last up to a year. You can use it as a spice, or mix it with hot water and drink it directly. It's also very helpful for children who don't like eating ginger. With this method, you'll have both ginger extract and ginger powder. It's practical, economical, and perfect for use in winter. If you find this helpful, try making it yourself. Feel free to leave a comment and share your experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.